We are going pop.
It's so easy. Nothing better than that.
Are you feeling it?
Yes. We gotta have some sense of rules.
I like where this is going.
All right.
We're gonna take it up another level.
Right.
There's a little something for everyone.
Oh, yeah. Cover me. I'm going in.
Let's get cooking. It is all about a party with delicious food. Share the love.
Dinner at Tiffany's.
Let the good times roll. To good food, old friends, and new memories. There's no place like Patty's Place.
Patty calls, you come.
Sizzling, baby.
I'm cooking with Patty LaBelle.
I've been waiting a long time for this.
Thank you for having me over.
Bravo.
This is gonna be good.
We want that $5,000.
We're gonna win.
Well, let's cook. 5 minutes, and you have to be open for business. Laser focus.
This is active, living cooking. It's time. Eat some good food. Boom!
Let's get our barbecue on.
Same old barbecue won't cut it in this cook-off.
Look at the size of that bone. See that? Come off a brontosaurus. Winner!
That's beautiful for two Brooklyn boys.
Got style.
This is paradise. Not a bad place to call work. It doesn't get much fresher than this.
I'm getting fresh with Katie.
Cheers.
There's just a lot of dynamic going on here.
I have 35 bucks for the day.
This place is awesome.
Can I do it all and stay on budget?
I love my job.
Cooking is an art, but baking, that's a science. It all goes back to ancient times.
I'm Fred serious.
Are cucumbers actually cool? Real cool, baby. How'd this guy get to be so chill?
So when our taster's over, we're giving them our own departure from these classics.
How am I gonna put this in my mouth? Yes.
We're going mad for Mexican food. We're all about cheese. We're getting our diner on.
This is truly one of food's greatest hits.
The secret to these treats lies inside.
20 ingredients, 3,000 cuts, over 1,000 fun facts.
Gotta love that pop.
Quality time together.
That's exactly what I'm looking for.
Give it a little spin.
Definitely delivers.
I know, I killed it.
Oh, I'm sold.
Done. We're done.
And cut.